Gecko's garage has transformed into Gecko's Grotto! We have a list of festive fixes for some of our friends. Their presents are wrapped and ready for my merry mechanicals to fit them. Ah! Wrenches and reindeer! They're here! Get ready, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Vicky, Fiona and Mama Recycle. I heard you've all been very good this year. First on the list is Vicky. You asked for a new ice cream cone. Go on into the grotto. Your gift awaits. And Fiona, you wanted a new fire hose. Your watery wish will be granted. Aha! Mama Recycle, you asked for a new grabbing arm. Let my elves grab that for you. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, no, no, no! Something's not right! A grabbing arm for Fiona, an ice cream cone for Mama Recycle, and a hose for Vicky? Oh, no! We have a mechanical mix-up! There. Don't be upset now. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is you try to fix them. Grab your tools, it's fixing time! And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on all, let's try again and match the right present to the right friend. Grabbing arm, ice cream, hose. Let's work out where each one goes. A hose sprays water when things get hot. Fiona fire truck will use this a lot. Mama Recycle's grabbing arm is next. To pick up the waste that she collects. One more fix left for our team. So let's attach Vicky's giant ice cream. Way to go, Merry Mechanicals! You fixed the mix-up just in time for Christmas! When mistakes happen, it's always best to fix them. Until next time, everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. Oh, it's been a long day. Oh, excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spin! Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. What? Huh? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at GECKO'S garage, Fiona. Bye! Blue! Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh, we'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing bots! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, Yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh! Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew! You saved the day, Blue! Hooray for our hero! Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye! It's time to repaint the sign, Mechanicals. Blue, can you please get the green paint and take Yellow up on the roof to help? Oh dear, Fiona's had a bump to her bumper. Come inside and let's fix it. Green, we'll need the extra strong glue, please. glue isn't meant to be green. Blue and yellow must have the glue. Quick, red, get up to the roof. Oh, poor Red. We'll have to get up on the roof another way. Oh dear! What a sticky situation. Let's get you free before the glue sets completely. Fiona, can we borrow your hose, please? Don't worry, Mechanicals. We'll soon have you free. Great job, everyone. Fiona and I both look brand new. Hello, everyone. We're going to the beach today. Remember, Mechanicals, only take what we need. Huh? Oh. Garage doors open wide. It's time to go to the seaside. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Green can't wait for an ice cream. Oh no! Vicky's broken down. Let's take a look. I see the problem. Let's tow you to the beach and I'll fix you there. Are you all right, Tilly? If you need to take a break, that's okay. Spinning screwdrivers! Now we're stuck. We'll get you home, Tilly, but first we have to help Vicky. No wonder you're feeling tired. A brand new spark plug is what's required. You'd best get going, Vicky. We'll just have to go to the beach another day. We need to fix Tilly. Hi, Trevor. Would you be able to help us, please? I have an idea. Thanks, Trevor. Good as new. Our dear friend Tilly, we love you the best. Now what you need is a well-earned rest. But first, go outside. You all deserve a special treat. Ta-da! If we can't go to the beach with our friends can bring the beach to us. Goodbye, everyone. Good job, baby truck. We're almost done with your driving test. You just need to reverse up this ramp. Don't worry. Slow. Easy now. Nicely done! You passed your first driving test, baby truck.
You call that a driving test? Now this is a driving test, eh, Sly?
What exactly are you testing for?
How much better we are than you.
This
is too easy for me. Sly, you oversized toaster.
Help! Baby truck, we have to rescue them. Take your time. You can do this. Great touching, baby truck.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. I'll have you down in no time.
Just like you reversed in the test, baby truck. Nice and steady. There we go. Safe and sound, Sly.
Well, looks like I finished that driving test quite nicely.
Baby truck, you're like no other. You passed the driving test with flying colours. Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's challenged us to a game of football. And I've got 2 terrific trucks on my team.
That trophy is mine! Frogs Flops can't match Weasel's winners. Remember, Max, you stay in goal. Because you block the whole thing.
Start your engines. If you have one, that is.
Good luck, team. Enjoy yourselves.
And they're off. Baby truck is dribbling. With the ball, that is. There's no way past Max the monster keeper. Oh, Weasel's wheels go on the attack. Great tackle. Oh no, baby truck has a flat tire.
Oh, baby, what rotten luck.
Weasel to Sly, who runs into Tilly. Now Tilly's exhaust has fallen off. This game is bananas.
Pass to me, Sly. You'll only miss. Oh, no! That was your fault, Sly.
Oh, dear. You 2 need a fast fix.
Ooh, it's half time.
Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Baby's hurt, but brave all the same. With a brand new tyre, she's back in the game. Tilly's exhaust fell off with a crash. So let's reattach it quick as a flash. Now we've had a little rest, let's get back out and try our best.
Stop dawdling, you 2. We have to win, whatever it takes.
Team Gecko on the attack, prepared and ready to go. Wowee! Tilly's faster than ever with her new exhaust.
Look out!
Ow! A ropey challenge by Weasel. Red card.
Never.
Seconds left! We could win it with this free kick! Go, go, team!
Go! Gecko's garage!
No! Not fair! Cheating usually works for me.
Well done, teams. Fair play, won today. Bye, everyone. There you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyre should be all set. All right, mechanicals. Let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby truck! Wait! You mustn't go off by yourself! Baby truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers! With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find baby truck. Ah, that's it!
Cat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, Baby Truck. Grab on!
Of course! Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko! The water is rising!
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Cat.
No problema!
Oh,
Oops. Looks like the next stop is GECKO'S car wash.
hello, everyone. We're off to visit Cat. She asked me to bring some special things belonging to my grandpa. And here we are. Wow-wee! Oh, Cat. Are you here? We saw your lovely display and... Huh?
Cálmate, Gecko.
Huh?
It's just face paint for Dia de los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos? What's that?
It means Day of the Dead. My family celebrates this holiday to remember our loved ones who have passed on. Mi ama, my mother, was an ace pilot. This was her compass. Do you have anything for me, Grandpa?
My grandpa was an inventor. Before he died, he made the famous GECKO'S specs, a nifty gadget to help you see better in all kinds of situations. I know that horn! That's Bobby the bus! Sounds like he's in trouble! Oh, it's no good! It's too dark to see!
Gecko, ven acá! Helena's spotlight can find Bobby in the dark.
Good idea, Cat!
Still too dark. I can't see Bobby.
What would Grandpa do? We don't need extra light. These GECKO'S specs work best at night. There! I see Bobby! Let's go in for a landing. I'll radio Tilly. Glad we heard you, Bobby. Looks like your battery's gone flat.
We can charge him at my base.
Perfect, Cat. And with a little towing, we can get Bobby going. A flat battery isn't much trouble, but needs recharging on the double. There you go. Your battery will be full by morning.
You did a fantastic job finding Bobby in the dark, Gecko.
It's thanks to you, Grandpa. Your GECKO specs saved the day.
Even if you can't see him, your grandpa is still with you, Gecko.
Yes, I'm glad he is.
And then I saw it, coming out of the dark, with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, Mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
We don't need to be afraid or act all silly because it's not a ghost. It's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night and...
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
Hello, everyone. Oh, there's a lot of vehicles waiting to use the car wash today.
Oh, thanks, Bobby.
Bah, Gecko has more customers than me. But if I break his car wash, everyone will have to use mine.
Oh, baby truck, what can we get you today? Oh, spinning screwdrivers! What's happening to the car wash? We need to switch it off. Oh no! We've got a runaway car wash.
Oh, this is just too funny.
Good golly, good gosh! Follow that car wash!
Oh, get away from me! I took a shower last week, thank you. No! No!
We have to get in front of it! Mechanicals, we're going in! Mechanicals, climb up and unscrew that control panel! Not the yellow wire! The red wire! Not green! Red! Phew. Bish bash bosh. We stopped the runaway car wash. But, how are we going to get this back to the garage? Bye, everyone. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. This door is really stuck. Was that you, Tilly? Look, it's Trevor the tractor. Oh, sounds like you could use our help. Follow me. Nuts and bolts. I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mex, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. Ah, there. That's better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Pull away, friends! Hooray! Great job, team! See you again soon, Trevor. Bye! Hello, everyone. Baby Truck's here for a play date with the mechanicals. I'll come play soon. I just need to finish changing Fiona Fire Truck's wheels. Oh! Someone needs our help. Oh no! There's a fire and Fiona can't help. Her new wheels haven't arrived yet. What will we do? Aha! That's it! The car wash! Baby Truck, how would you like to be a fire truck for the day? Go, baby fire truck! It's okay, Trevor. No need to fear. GECKO'S firefighters are here. Oh no! We've sprung a leak! Take over, Red! Oh, good, Red! No problem, Trevor. Ah, and well done, baby. You make a really good fire truck. Bye, everyone! Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Christmas, everyone. Oh, what's wrong, Green?
Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, Mechanicals.
Green? Hola, Gecko!
Oh, hi, Cat. Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, go, Mechanicals.
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without Green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat.
Go, go, Helena Helicopter.
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat. That was amazing.
It was all green.
Oh, well done, Green.
Happy birthday to you. Hello, everyone. We're having a picnic for Miles's birthday.
Darling Miles, the finest, fastest friend on two wheels.
Oh, hello, Mr. Weasel. We're celebrating...
Celebrating my new super-duper scooter? Of course you are!
Ha! My Miles can beat that loopy pooper scooper. Last one around the lake's a soggy spark plug.
You mean a race? Bring it on!
Are you sure, Grandma?
You betcha. Can you help us make the start and finish line, Mechanicals? We'll use the balloons.
Try getting started without a starter motor.
On your marks, get set, go!
Hopping handlebars. Miles won't start.
Vanishing vehicle parts. Miles's starter motor is missing. Without it, the engine won't work.
I bet that wicked Weasel pinched it.
Having trouble getting started? I think I've even got time for a little break.
We just need a plan. Don't give up. That's it, Miles. We can use wind power from a balloon to propel you.
Yeah.
What tools do we need? Wrench, pump.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
Keep inflating that balloon at speed. The air will help our plan succeed. Through this pipe, the air will flow to make Miles and Grandma go, go, go. With balloon power propelling our trusty friend, the race may yet have a happy end.
It's working. Miles is on the move.
Hooray!
Oh, I say, excuse me.
Oh, don't get up, dear.
Wobbling whiskers! They can't win!
Dakota, happy birthday. Our special Miles.
Goodbye, everyone.
Success, Mechanicals! Another happy customer.
Oh, no! It's a disaster! Oh,
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
it's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
My Weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. No, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something! Oh, no, you clumsy clown!
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit. Blue, hand me my wrench. This Weasel wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, Mr. Spot.
There you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Poor Baby Truck. You've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay. I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh, no. Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road. Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, Baby Truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, Baby Truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone.
You're right, Green. There's a fire. It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals! Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it! We need a nice loud nee-naw sound. All done! Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a nee-naw. That was a nee-naw, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud nee-naw. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage.
Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's trying to attract more customers with an open invitation to his garage. Oh.
Don't forget to charge them for that photo, Sly.
Oh, no. Mr. Weasel, your blimp is floating away.
Oh no, it's not. I've got everything under control. Yes! Everything looks in order from up here. Exactly as I planned.
Spinning screwdrivers. Mr. Weasel's in danger. We have to help him get safely back on the ground.
Wobbling whiskers. Now my toesies are getting cold. Stop!
We need to get Mr. Weasel down safely.
Mommy!
Aha! That bouncy castle will provide a soft landing. But how do we move it underneath Mr. Weasel? Oh, that's it! We'll put the bouncy castle on wheels! What tools do we need? Screwdriver, bungee cords.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
To turn around Mr. Weasel's luck, let's attach this trailer to Baby Truck. Nice and tight. By turning the screws all the way to the right. Now lift the bouncy castle aboard and hold it in place with bungee cords. Go, go, Bouncy Baby Truck!
Oh, do something, Gecko!
Nuts and bolts!
Oh, that cliff looks very spiky.
The blimp will pop if it hits that cliff.
Help me!
Hang on, Mr. Weasel. We have a soft landing for you. Let go now. You'll fall onto the bouncy castle.
That wasn't me! Oh!
Hooray! We saved Mr. Weasel. Well done, baby truck.
How deflating!
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Max and Molly are having so much fun playing in muddy puddles. Oh, you. Thanks, Green. Oh, Max, you're covered in mud. It's bath time for you two. I guess they don't want a bath. Come on, monster trucks. Great idea, Blue. Molly loves rubber ducks. Oh, Molly, we have a surprise for you. Well, that did the trick. Come on, Max, just wait here. It'll be your turn soon enough. In you go, Max. It's your turn. Oh no! The sunshine has dried the wet mud and left poor Max stuck. Just like a statue. Oh, don't worry, Molly. We'll tow Max through the car wash with Tilly's help. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Maximum power for Muddy Max! There you go, Max. All clean. Something's wrong. Let's take a look. Oh no! Your engine is full of mud. Don't worry, we'll get rid of it and have you running smoothly again. What tools do I need? Screwdriver, sponge. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The engine air filter keeps the dirt out, but too much mud brings problems about. Open the filter case to see what's in sight. It's full of thick mud. My guessing was right. In goes the new filter, retighten the screw, and now Max's engine should run like new. There you go, Max. Now you're as clean on the inside as you are on the outside. Back in the car wash, please, Molly. Goodbye, everyone. Could you pass me a spanner, please, Blue? That's not a spanner, Blue. It's a wooden spoon. Sounds like baby truck. I wonder what all the excitement's about.
Presenting Wilbur T. Weasel's new electromagnet. Oh! How do I turn it off? Oh!
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's got magnet trouble.
Everything's fine, Gecko. If you could just switch off the power by turning that bolt.
Blue, stop! A magnet attracts anything made of metal. Oh no! Mechanicals! Oh, I know, Mama Recycle. I need to turn the power down, but I can't use a metal tool. Of course! The wooden spoon! Huh? It's okay, friends. I'll free you soon.
with a tool I made from a wooden spoon.
Ah, that's not going to work.
Is everyone okay? Oh, great. We'll see you all soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello, Bobby. Oh, dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, Mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully. Oh, steady. Steady. Oh, careful, Mechanicals. We need to work together. Oh, thanks, Green. Oh dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, Mechanicals. Phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, Mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, Mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby.